Hello family, welcome to yet another edition of the Probook University Solutions. So there's this one screw that we have to unscrew to open up this cover. So I need to first remove this screw with my Phillips screwdriver. So I'll get it out like this. So I'll open up this cover. So once I'm done opening the cover, I'll focus on two screwdrivers. There is this screwdriver, they always have marks, keyboard marks, this and this one. So there are two that we are interested in. So let's start by removing the first one, which is this one. Put it aside. Get the second one. Put it out. So once we are done, we need to I cover it up so that nothing, no dust that can enter inside. So I'll just open the laptop. So once it's open, I get my cutting edge tool and I look for an angle where I can just push it forward, push the keyboard forward and grab it. Get my cutting edge, just enter it inside and pull it out just like this. So once that is done, I just flip the keyboard, flip it gently so that I can open or unlock the connector. So once I unlock the connector, I disconnect the connecting point. So this is the old keyboard. And here is my new that I would like to place in, but I have to first ensure that I clean the surface. So once I'm done cleaning, I use some spirit, get my connection points placed into this connection area. Get it into the connection area. You have to be a little careful. So I'm ensuring that it has entered. I put my lock back and do the same. Put the keyboard back while pressing. Press all the angles, all the corners. They have locks inside, so you have to ensure that you press so that they are locked in. So once I've confirmed that all the spots are locked in, I can close the laptop and turn it the other way around. I remove my cover. Then I get my screws, put back the screws, put back the first screw and put back the second screw. Then I get my cover and I put it back from all corners so that those are intact. Once they're intact, then I strengthen the screw. Strengthen the screw to ensure that the cover is locked very well. So that's how you can replace a keyboard for this HP Probook 440 Generation 5 laptop. And that's it for this video. In case you've liked it, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe in case you are new here for new other videos. Thank you and take care. Cheers. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching till the end, and thank you for subscribing. Thank you for being part of the Opolo Diversity Solutions. See you next time, same day. Kindly always keep checking for new videos. Hit that subscription button and the notification bell as we stay together. Thank you for watching. Enjoy the rest of your life. Peace and love. One.